Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. So, today we are going to make evil eye nail art. So, I just thought that it will look good, like the color combination, it's really looking good. So, I tried to make that. So, go ahead and watch this video till end. Okay guys, so I tried to make some different pattern, but what I thought later on that on the first and last finger I will apply blue color and middle will be with nude color. Guys, as you are seeing this on your screen, then please do click on subscribe guys. Here's the final design guys. I hope you all are liking this nail art. I like it so much. If you liked it, then please do comment below and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching guys. Bye.